Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds not charging in keys. In order to fix it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, what you want to do is if your Sony FW1000XM5 Earbuds aren't charging in their keys, you want to try cleaning the charging contact, ensure that the earbuds are properly seated, and verify that the case is charging by checking the indicator light. You could also make sure that the earbuds are correctly positioned in a charging case, cleaning the charging case on both the earbuds and a case with a soft dry cloth to remove the dust or debris. You could also verify the charging case itself, charging by plugging into a power source and observing the indicator light. Ensure that the charging cable is securely connected to both the keys on a power source, and that should be able to help you out. If not, you could also reset. For that, you want to press and hold the reset button on the back of the charging case for about 20 seconds. The indicator light should turn off and then back on the indicator. The reset is complete. Press and hold the install lights button on the back of the charging case for approximately 15 seconds or more. The indicator light will flash orange and you should release the button within 5 seconds after it starts flashing. So that is how it actually works. You could also check the environment. Make sure that the ambient and temperature is within the recommended charging range, that is 15 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Ensure the case is not being charged in a place that is too hot or too cold. You could fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.